Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite lip products of 2019. Not all of them were released in 2019, but these have just been my most go-to favorites. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, first things first, this is an oldie but a goodie, but this is the NARS Turkish Delight Lip Gloss. I have gone through several of these. At first I was never going to buy it because I thought it was way too expensive, but my friend got me it and I have since bought 2 more since. That's how much I love it. It is the perfect nudie lip gloss. It is kind of more pricey, but it's like that perfect, like, pink, like sherbet color. It's so perfect. It goes with any type of, like, nude or pink lipstick ever. It just is so nice. You know, put a little lip liner, put this on. It just is so beautiful. It's my all-time favorite go-to lip gloss. Just so you guys know, I do have a lot of ColourPop in here, but I love ColourPop. I find them to be affordable, and I love their products, so... this is the ColourPop, and this was the Bretman Rock ColourPop collab, and this is in the shade Wig. I just find it to be like the most stunning, beautiful red. I've used this one a lot. This one did come out in 2019, I believe, so yeah, it did. Absolutely love this. It's a beautiful, beautiful red. Obviously, I love my Ruby Roo by MAC, and I have a Kat Von D one and all that, but I really did love this red. It's like kind of vampy. It's just so, it's so beautiful. Truly just a stunning red. Next, this is another red shade. This is with the I Love Sarah E and ColourPop collab, but this is an ultra metallic lip. This is in the shade Coquette. I'm not sure how you want to say that. But either way, it's so pretty. It's like the shimmery red. Every time I wear this, I do get a lot of compliments. It makes my lips look bigger and fuller. I believe this one, yeah, it's just ultra metallic, but I'm pretty sure this one is like more like satiny feeling, I'm pretty sure. I was trying to think. This one's more satiny feeling, where this one is a ultra satin lip as well. This one's satin too. I like the satin formulas best. Some of the matte shades from ColourPop can be a bit drying, and they can sometimes do that crumbly thing. Not all of them, but some colors can. So I prefer the satin or metallic finish. I have a few different colors in these, and I really like the metallic. Next, this is so worn off because this is my favorite lippy, like hands down ever. I have to pick up more. This is the At Me color, and this was, I can't read it. This is with the I Love Brunch collab with Zoella. It is the prettiest nude pink ever. Like, ever, ever, ever. I got it as a set with the lip liner. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend this. Like that perfect, like, nudie pink, especially if you're more on the fair side. This is the kind of color you definitely would love and would totally want. Highly recommend this one for sure. And last but not least, this is also an oldie but a goodie. This is the Stila Stale Day Liquid Lip Color, and this is in Patina. And it's just a beautiful, kind of like mauvey nude. I absolutely love it. The formula is so nice. It's matte, but yet it doesn't get crispy or gross. It just feels nice in the lips. It's so beautiful. Like, it's just so beautiful. Highly recommend this. I do have a mini in this because I got it in several different kits from last, like, winter. And this is actually my last one. If you guys remember, I actually got a few of these, and I'm on my last one, and it's actually getting empty. Really love this. Would totally buy a full size, and definitely would buy this. So, highly recommend. Those were my favorite lippies. Today I do have on the Kat Von D studded lipstick in Love LUV. And this is what it looks like here. As you can see, I really like this one. This one I'm wearing today. Really love a nice purple lip sometimes. I wanted to go for a look, so that is what I did. But that is also a good color too as well. But those are my top 5 favorites that I used a lot this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.